Naslednji avto, ki ga imamo danes za vas, smo posneli na portugalskem obmorskem Kaškajšu, na skrajnem robu tamkajšnje marine na heliportu. Na lokacijo intervjuja pa je pripeljal kar glavni Volkswagnov oblikovalec v prototipnem ID crossu. Kar smo slišali, vam bo nedvomno všeč.
So this is the new Volkswagen era, electric era.
Yeah, it will become the most important car in the portfolio because the sales numbers, the volume will be higher than ID Polo. It's very compact, 4.16 m. It's very high, a lot of space inside. You sit elevated. This is exactly what the people love, and that is what we deliver.
Can we talk about happy face here?
Yes, we can. It is happy. You know, it's not aggressive, it's not attacking. This is what we try to avoid. And here we are going against the trend. You know, the trend is for aggressive faces, and we don't want that. The Volkswagen never was like this. Yeah, when you remember the Beetle, was always very friendly. It was smiling, big eyes. It was never attacking anybody. You know. Yeah, this is drama, yes. This is illuminated, that's a part of the show car. Later we're gonna have that.
Also with the illumination?
No illumination, yeah. It's not legal. You have to have in the rear red lights, in the front white lights, on the side. If there's no function, it's not legal. But the elements they are showing, they are connected to the ID bus. Yeah, they have a similar element to show the customer, look, this is a big car. We have the so-called whiskey glasses here. That is like a thick glass, you know. When you have thick glass, you throw it on the floor. It's not breaking. It's not like a champagne glass. It's not flimsy. It's really strong. Yeah?
Whiskey glass, I will remember that.
Yeah, we have whiskey glasses. Officially, we have to say tumbler, yeah? But unofficially, we name them whiskey glasses because it's more catchy, you know. It stays in your head, you know.
Like I said, I will definitely remember.
We call this our secret sauce, you know. People say like secret sauce, what do you mean? No? And the explanation is to have a bit more fun. We have a lot of requirements that are really unusual, and we deliver everything, like very good insurance classes, for instance. Yeah, the car will have a certain idea in the rear to keep the cost out. If you have a damage on the car, you can repair it very easy, very cheap. Yeah.
That means several parts, many parts.
Yes. Yeah. For instance, when you have a little crash from the rear, yeah, we have a very low loading area. It's this one here, and then we made this shape to keep this intact. When you have a little crash with another car, the plastic is damaged, but not the expensive rear door. I'm not over-promising the wheel design we deliver, the color we deliver, and the glass house you see here today is the real one already. So all the screens, front, rear, side, is all production ready, and even the glass element on top is production part. So what you see today here is pretty close.
Great. How close?
80%.
80%. And the star of the show is the boot?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, so when you open this, you just press it. You have a big space, but when you look underneath, you see it goes down to the floor.
Yeah, of course.
And that is the biggest boot, yeah.
So it will be suitable for dirty boots.
Yes, of course.